Hey guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Design Diaries. Today we are going to talk about how to create fun cartoons. So let's get started. So the material that we are going to be needing is one pencil, one eraser and just one or two markers or sketch pens. So these are the calligraphy markers which will allow you to draw a thick line as well as a very thin line. So let's get started. Let's understand the parts of our face and then how to convert the face into a cartoon. Okay, so these are the natural proportions of our face, and with cartoons what we really do is we try to exaggerate these proportions, and by proportions I mean two types of proportions. One are the horizontal type of proportions and another are the vertical proportions, right? So let's now divide this face into 5 parts. So this is our first part, then this is the second part, this is the third part, this is the fourth part, and this is the fifth part, right? So and now what we are going to do is basically we are going to change the widths of each of these parts, right? So we will say that, you know, for this first part we will reduce the width, for the second part we may increase the width of it, and also the same thing we can do with the vertical proportions. For some cartoons we may show nose very big, for some cartoons we will show nose very small but eyes very big. So let's take an example and try to understand what we can do with the proportions of a face and how to create a cartoon. Now if you look at this photo, Virat has a very pointed kind of hairstyle in this photo, and he also has a pointed chin. His jawline or his smile is very wide, and his ears are very long. So these are the observations we will be making, and the eyebrows are very strong, and what we can really exaggerate here is the angle in which his eyebrows are. What we really see here is the hairstyle. So let's first define the boundaries of the face. So for him I'm going to exaggerate or increase the proportion of the third part here, which are the cheeks. So pay attention to the cheek lines and you know, the lines which really define the face that you are trying to draw. Also pay attention to your white spaces of highlights, and which will really make the sketch alive. Just trying to be as disciplined as possible with these lines so that the likeness, you know, does not get lost in the process. So this is our final sketch of Virat Kohli. It was really fun to draw this cartoon. Thank you for watching.